It's a beautiful day because we get to see the brand new hardware floors inside of our new house. Ah!
They're not hardwood.
They're supposed to look real, kind of, real-ish. So the contractors aren't fully done putting the floors in yet, but they're about halfway done or so. So we're actually gonna get our first glimpse as to what our brand new floors in the house will look like, which is very exciting. It can't be any worse than the existing blue carpet that was in there. So I have high hopes,
I think it's gonna look
What
good.
if the floors are horrible? What if they're ugly and we hate them and they're already half installed?
We have to deal with it.
You married that face, by the way. Your choice. Did anyone ever tell you you have great taste, not just in floors, but in men? Why aren't you talking? All right, go in. Can we walk on this?
Yeah, there's footprints on it.
Okay. Oh, it's dusty.
Whoa, it looks so
Whoa, nice. That looks a lot better.
good. That looks so good.
Damn, dude. They did a good job. Oh, it feels better too. Open those bad boys up. Oh, shoot. The kitchen, all the way to the kitchen too. This is definitely more our style.
Oh my gosh, look how dusty your house is.
Oh yeah, it's a dust fest in here. Let's not bring any computers in here until all this is gone. Oh, this is done too? Whoa. So the bathrooms are still, if you guys remember, this is what the tile used to look like. We're keeping the bathroom as is for now. Okay, so they're just getting started in this room. It goes all, oh, they did the master already.
No, it's not all done.
It's not all done, but once the painting is all done in the entire house, it'll look real nice.
Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Wait, I want to see what it feels like barefoot. Oh, it's cold.
Well, yeah, it's vinyl. Vinyl flooring, SPC. It's like a stone plastic composite. It's much more durable and has better resistance to water. It's actually waterproof, not just water resistant. So that's why you can actually put it in places like the kitchen without too much worry. I don't know, I kind of miss the blue carpet.
Shut up.
Now, obviously the living room, this is the actual, the big living room. That's like the family room. We're calling that the family room by the entryway. This is the big ass living room with the weird low ceiling that you guys probably remember from the house tour. And we're saving this till the very end because this is actually gonna be the biggest project that we undertake for this whole thing. And we're probably gonna continue the same flooring. We bought enough flooring for the entire house. So when we're finally ready to do this part of the house, we'll have all the materials we need. Looks good. What do you think, Mr. Chicken? Well said. He is not a dumb chicken, okay? Mr. Chicken is one of the family now, and you just have to learn to accept that. He might be different than us, but that doesn't mean we can't learn anything from
Let
him.
me see him.
Hey, will you... You are so... And this is coming from the vegan. You know, our neighbors are probably gonna think we have a pet chicken. And we're like, oh great, they have a chicken. They're weird. Is that his new home?
Hanging out with the
Chickens
lemons.
can't climb trees. Looks like he's about to take a big chomp out of that lemon. He blends in. He could be a lemon. This is where he goes when he's hiding from predators. We're at a restaurant called Joy now. They whip up some authentic tasting Taiwanese dishes that are super tasty. They even have Taiwan beer, which is called Taiwan beer. So I'm gonna tell you guys something that you probably didn't know about me. My last name is, I'm sure a lot of you already know, is Hansen. And my family, they actually own the Hansen soda brand. I'm basically the heir to a multi-million-dollar company, which is how I hit 1 million subscribers on YouTube. I bought all of my subscribers. Each and every one of you. I bought all of you. So you all belong to me. So good. You know, sodas are a lot like farts. Everyone loves their own brand. What's going on in here?
Kitties.
Say hi to Mr. Chicken.
Honey, are you serious?
No, they're just trying to get acquainted with Mr. Chicken. You know, he doesn't give a great first impression, but they'll warm up to him eventually. I see you, girl. I see you looking like a little creeper. Whoa, you're turning into the TV. That's cool. You have 3 eyes. 4 eyes. Back to 3. You are a monster. Oh, your head just got twice as big and now it disappeared. I have the craziest cat. No one's gonna believe this. Whoa, there you go. Oh, she's evolving, honey. She's got 2 heads now.
Oh, the mommy will save you.
Oh, you ruined it. You stunted her growth. She was about to be like an X-Men kitty and you just totally stopped it. Now you're just a regular boring cat. All right, well, I'm feeling pretty fat after that Taiwanese meal. Not that I regret it or anything, but
I regret it. No,
one of us.
I don't regret it.
One of us regrets it. No?
It's too delicious.
Make up your mind. Women.
Men.
Fair point. Anyway, regardless of guilt, we feel it's only right that we follow up that tremendous meal by getting incredibly high.
right, so this is good training for when we hike Mount Everest. I guess that's the first part of this challenge is, can you traverse the sea of foam cubes to even reach the wall in the first place? Yeah, you did it! Good job! But now your true test begins. Wow, am I watching Ultimate Beastmaster right now? Look at you go. Don't look down. No, you gotta keep going until you fall. All right, you gonna do a stunt jump? Ready? That was beautiful. You fall so gracefully. Professional faller over here. Oh, you gotta hit all the buttons. You gotta hit the buttons. We're doing it wrong. You gotta start from here and hit all the buttons as you go around the whole wall. Reach the top. You're almost there. That's not a button. It hurts. All right, let me show you how it's done. Painful.
I think I married a monkey.
Hey, there's no way.
It hurts, doesn't it?
It hurts. Your feet, your fingers. You gotta have like insane gripping strength.
Honey, press the button.
Let's start the first one.
Oh, I didn't hit the first one.
Here, I'll hit it for you.
Hit it for me. Max.
There you go.
That was a world record, huh? Going from there to there. I got the third one. It's impossible. I got to the end of the wall. I'm happy with that. I feel accomplished. I feel like one of those toys in those crane arcade games. All right, new strategy to get out of the foam pit. Didn't work as intended. That looks like a Cherry MX switch. Look at that orange thing up there on the ceiling. That totally looks like a Cherry MX switch.
Alright, you two, say goodbye. Say goodbye to everyone. Say thanks for watching the vlog. We'll see you next time. Say bye, boy. Boy, you look evil. You look possessed. Why can't you be like Mr. Chicken? Always wide-eyed, wide-mouthed. Toss a like. Toss a like if you enjoyed it. A big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. And we'll see you next time. Bye.